Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. To download the Bank of America mobile app, you'll need to go to your device's App Store. The process is similar for both Apple and Android devices. For Apple devices, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the App Store, you can follow these steps. 1. Use the search function within the App Store. 2. Type Bank of America into the search bar. 3. Locate the official Bank of America mobile app from the search results. Make sure it's the official app from Bank of America, and not a third-party app. 4. Tap the Get or Install button to begin the download and installation. 5. You may be prompted to enter your password, use Face ID, or use your fingerprint to confirm the download. After the app is installed, you can open it and log in with your online banking credentials. If you don't have online banking credentials, you can enroll directly through the app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.